And we are back on the pod. So, episode 14. And this is a Christmas special episode. And we're going to talk about random things about me, about what I like during Christmas or December. So, yes, it's Christmas time. And finally, may time na tayo matulog. Before that, kasi, di ba, super busy. Updated naman kayo sa mga past episodes. Pero I think for me, Christmas time, especially right after Christmas, actually before medyo hectic pa, I get time to really rest and sleep. I had my afternoon nap actually few minutes ago. So, yun, when Christmas time comes, it's for me to actually sleep, rest, work out, eat a lot, and actually enjoy watching TV, enjoy the things I couldn't do during Christmas time. So during the regular days. Um to start off December, usually, sige, start off natin sa good part. Na-mention kay rest and all of those. Pero, start na lang tayo sa totoong December. So, December for me, the past few years, well, not every year naman, pero most Decembers isn't really good for me or wasn't really so good for me. Parang there's always obstacles and decisions to be made or decisions made that are not so good or na hindi ko gusto pero I have to make. Um, and this December is not different from those Decembers, the past years. And December hasn't been really good to me. Pero you just have to go through it. You have big decisions to make, and when you make a decision, there's always pros and cons. And this year's not the same. Is the same na I have to make a big decision. But anyway, some people are asking me about my Instagram post every December, and um, I'm not yet ready to share what it is unless you're close to me. You know what that is. And someone asked me actually, and in-explain ko naman what happened, pero some people would know um, what happened that year. Pero um, actually, medyo okay na yun. Nakalimutan ko na yun. Hindi naman nakalimutan. Some things that something that I always tell people is forgive but never forget. Um, and ayun yun. Back 6 years ago itong nangyari. Maybe 6 years ago. So, you just have to learn and then see Mr. Ano ako Mr. Brightside eh. Kung Mr. Positive, kung ano yung positive sa situation na yun. I find things that are positive in every situation and I always do that. Sometimes, baka hindi na okay, pero wala, kailangan. That's my coping mechanism siguro or for me to find ways to be better. That's what I do. So yes, doon naman tayo sa medyo light part, Christmas time. Um, Someone asked me about to do like Christmas special. Like favorite Christmas song is Mistletoe by Justin Bieber. Um, Favorite siguro because I always listen to it during Christmas time. I have this Christmas playlist. The Spotify, I save the Christmas pop. And for some reason, bumaba na siya, napunta na siya sa gitna. Before, nasa upper part siya ng Christmas pop. So Justin Bieber's Mistletoe, yung mga regular songs na yung Michael Bublé, Santa Tell Me, Mariah Carey. So yun, pero Justin Bieber's on top of that Christmas song. Aside from Jose Marichan. Pero yes, Justin Bieber's Mistletoe. Um, bakit pala, question, bakit yung Christmas ham during Christmas lang nagbebenta? Masarap siya eh. Ako pag may Christmas ham, natutuwa na ako dahil nasasarapan ako. Bakit hindi siya pwede ibenta the whole year? Or binibenta naman, hindi lang kami bumibili. So, that's a real question na lately ko lang naisip. And shout out to Smoking Jays for the smoked ham and smoked bacon I got last week. Ubus na yung 1 kilo of smoked bacon na miss ko. By the way, I was selling smoked bacon. And if you still like smoked bacon, I can hook you up. Sobrang sarap. Si Zags umorder ng 10 na bacon, 10 kilos. Si Kaloy, 5. So, my friends ordered. So, wala na akong time eh. So, paminsan-minsan na lang. But yeah, if you love bacon, smoked bacon, sobrang sarap. Um, I think every Christmas, usually spend it here in Manila lang. 24, usually just family. Varies every year. But usually just small group. Then 25 is when everyone meets up and gather where my lola will call the names of everyone. There's I mean gifts under the Christmas tree. My lola will get the gifts and announce it one by one. So yes, ngayon medyo wala tayong gifts. Tumatanda na tayo nagbibigay ng gifts. Pero I remember before, talagang we would pull my lola when I was a kid. Like nagdi-dinner pa on the 25th. Parang we try to pull her to the Christmas tree to start reading the names and give the gifts para we could open our gifts already. Pero ngayon wala na. Kami na yung nagbibigay ng gifts. So kaya nakakatawa. Um, Times have changed talaga. Parang ramdam ko yung tanda ko. Ramdam ko yung tanda ko during Christmas. And then usually have games. And then pero to be honest, the past few Christmas, medyo nag-lower na yung I don't wanna say nawala excitement. Parang I was listening to this guy and he said, hindi naman na nawala yung excitement mo sa gifts. Um, Parang nagbago lang. Parang I was saying kanina na I was saying kasi ngayon parang pag Christmas break you're looking forward to more sleep, rest. So parang ining gifts if you understood what he meant, parang yung maka 3 hour nap ka sa hapon na hindi mo nagagawa dahil may work ka on a weekday. Parang ayun yung hinahanap mo ngayon. Rather than the gifts na nakukuha mo during Christmas. Parang some people yung biggest gift is your rest. Which now parang na-feel ko this year. Parang I felt like I didn't sleep the whole year. So makes sense yung sinabi niya for me. And everyone kanya-kanya. I'm sure some and even ako would still love to get gifts pero para ngayon, iba yung perspective natin about getting gifts. And then, um, yung, of course, before, parating kumpleto yung family, first cousins ng mom ko. My mom, 10 sila magkakapatid, and then, usually, they have cousins pa, so pag Christmas, so mas marami kami. Now, of course, yung mga cousins, sometimes they don't go anymore. They have their own family, tapos, some of my titos passed away already, so mas konti. So alam mo yun, talagang nafe-feel mo na nagbabago, nag-shift na. Parang every year, ang bilis bigla for some weird reason. I think also COVID changed it, yung how we spend our Christmases and our holidays. Good thing na medyo bumabalik na now to the regular one. So, favorite movie? My next topic is Christmas movie. I don't know if it's a Christmas movie, pero every Christmas I watch it. And Christmas kasi yung setting, pero Home Alone. I'm a Home Alone kid. Talagang I watch Home Alone every time. I'm gonna try to watch it again tomorrow on the 24th tomorrow or 25th while waiting for the our relatives. We're gonna spend it here in our house this year. So yun, Home Alone, Christmas movie, and Christmas Day games. NBA was the Cavs versus Warriors. Yung grabe yung game na yun, back and forth, dunk after dunk. I remember KD dunking over Kevin Love, tapos kick out, inbound ni Kevin Love, forward pass, full court chest pass ni Kevin Love, dunk naman LeBron, Kyrie with the spin and the shot. So ganda ng game na yun. Um, pero so I keep jumping lang and talking about Christmas. Christmas game sa PBA. I hate Christmas games sa PBA. Kasi may bad experience ako before. I think my dad was assistant coach sa Petron at that time. They had a game in MOA. So December 25. And PBA didn't move the time slot of the game. So it was, I think, still 5:35 and 7:30 or something like that. Pero gabi yung second game. I get why they do it. It's packed. Christmas Day game, big game. I think it was a Greg versus June Marshall, but Greg was injured at that time. So, um, when we went there, for Christmas, number one, daming tao sa MOA. Daming tao pag 25 sa mall. If you haven't been out to the mall on the 25th, grabe yung tao. I think I was surprised kasi we don't go to the mall sa 25th. I've been to the mall once lang to watch a movie premiere. Jenny Lin yan eh, Mercado. I forgot with Tita Michelle, sinama ko ni Tita Michelle. What movie was that? But I know it's Jenny Lin. But anyway, so sa PBA game, punong-puno. As in, grabe. Tapos, so, Christmas 25th, like I mentioned, nag-gather kaming family. So sabi ko, sige, saan na tayo kumain sa bahay ni Wawa, my Lola's house. And what happened was, na-delay yung game ng konti, tapos medyo gutom na kami. When we tried to buy food during the halftime, grabe yung pila dahil sobrang daming tao. Tapos naubusan ng food, karamihan ng stores or ng resto, concessionaire around the the arena sa loob. Kasi bawal ka naman lumabas eh. So gutom, tapos natapos yung game late, mga 10, past 10. We got to my lola's house at 11:45, if I'm not mistaken. Mga somewhere there, right before 12, 11:30. Some of my cousins went home already because we start early pag Christmas eh, on the 25th. So that was a bad experience for me. Kaya ayoko na ng Christmas Day games, yung PBA. Pag meron game ng dad ko, hindi na ako sasama. Sorry, pero hindi na ako sasama to watch kasi parang I miss the time where usually complete kami. Christmas is one of those times. It happens just a few times a year where we really gather na complete. And then hindi ko pa maabutan yung relatives ko. Super close ako sa cousins ko, by the way, growing up. We usually, during summer, we go to my lola's house, sleep there during the summer when we were much younger. Tapos, kaya medyo close talaga ako dati. I learned a lot from them, from my cousin, basketball, before even yung mga village mates namin, ganyan, pag nasa house ng lola ko, cups and rubbers, patintero, kickball. So yeah, kaya I look for, lalo na dati I look forward to gatherings like this. Kasi nakikita yung mga cousins ko. And then, um, during Christmas actually, Simbang Gabi, I finished one Simbang Gabi pala ever. But I go as much as I can. I went to Ateneo last night and 2 nights ago. sarap ng weather, going to the church, sarap ng feel talaga to be in around the campus. Ganda ng campus na Ateneo talaga. So, maglakad lang, going to Jesu from the parking, iba yung feeling, lalo na pag medyo malamig na. Yung breeze, tapos yun, medyo muni-muni ng konti. Parang ang sarap lang magmass rin. Tapos, very festive. The other night, Bukas Palad was there pa after the mass. Parang may small concert pa sila or they kept singing for maybe another 30 minutes or like 20 to 30. I finished it. So, nasa Ateneo until mga 10 the other day to witness that. Um, um, yung simbang gabi, parang I never miss a simbang gabi natin. So I make sure that I go to one at simbang gabi every year, at least one. Pero every go more than once. Kinatapos ko nga, I think, 2 years before the pandemic, 3 years before the pandemic, natapos ko yung simbang gabi. And dati kasi may classes pa during simbang gabi. Now, tapos na lahat ng classes eh. I think that was before the calendar shift na yung classes was until started June. So parang sumasagad sa December. Kasi now it starts August, September na eh. So sakto na yung December, nagbe-break na earlier. So um finally may break na nga ako. Like I mentioned earlier, like from office, from basketball. And now it's time to work out and sleep. I think workout, sleep, repeat. Kailangan, sasabihin ko sana eat, pero kailangan magbawas, magkumain. So workout, sleep, actually meet my friends will be on that schedule, yung mga hindi ko nakita the whole year. Pasensya na kayo. So this time, I have a lot of weddings coming up pala. So medyo busy pa rin, pero way better than before. Um, what else? I told you parang Christmas special to. So, or December special. Should I call it December special? Kasi most things that happens or happened during December. Um, I'm gonna fix my bike. Makakabike na sana ako next week. Supposed to do it today, nakatulog ako for like 2.5 hours. So hindi ko na paayos yung bike. It's been a while. I think a year last year, last time I really used it. So medyo sira. Hindi naman sira pero wala nang hangin yung gulong and I have to fix everything. I don't know if you could comment the comment section or whatever. Where's the best place to have parang yung talagang feel na feel may Christmas, like Christmas lights. Before there was Ayala Triangle. Parang now I haven't heard of any about this. So yung like papasyal ka lang, saan kaya yung best place here sa Manila? Please let me know if you're listening. Wala akong maisip. Wala akong maisip this year. Medyo na-detach ako sa mga news this year eh. Yes, Christmas. Before I end, parang questions. Some of you ba feel like um nasisenti or medyo hindi naman nalulungkot. Nalulungkot is not the right word eh. Parang you ako kasi every December, aside from hindi ako masyado swerte pag December, I have to like there are a lot of things that happened na December na didn't go my way. Pero alam mo medyo nagiging sentimental or nalulungkot ng konti. Baka dahil year end, so you reflect a lot and then you try to meditate. And syempre when you do that, a lot of emotions come into play. Um, Ganun rin ba kayo? Where you somehow feel a little sad during December or like since it's the end of the year or is it just me? Um, yung may pinakamagandang suggestion or comment, just comment it down below. We'll get a prize. Meron tayo dito mga giveaway. Stuffed toy from the World Cup. Si Jeep. Bibigay tayo ng moving forward ng mga giveaway. So yes, comment down below kung merong ganon. Meron kayong may ganong and bakit and ano yung mga naiisip nyo during this time of the year. Kasi ako ganon, medyo a little slow down kasi when your whole year is super fast, tapos biglang boom, wala kang gagawin. Parang you're stuck at home, ayos ka ng kwarto, tapos isipin mo gagawin mo. Parang medyo nagka-crash ka ng konti. I think everything that your mind has been blocking off biglang papasok. Lahat ng naisip mo, lahat ng nafe-feel mo biglang sabay-sabay papasok. So yun, medyo mapapaisip ka ng konti. Of course, there are good things, happy things, pero syempre, usually focus mo yung mga what you could work on, what could you have done better, what should you do next year to be better, yung mga ganun, di ba? So I don't know if it's just me or that's how it is talaga for everyone. And yun, put it down below. I'm trying to get more people to interview for next year. Well, next episode Meron pa pala one episode before next year. Sorry. Kala ko year-end special na to. Pero yeah, for Christmas, I hope you get the love you deserve, the joy you want. I hope you spend time with your family. If you're away from your family, give them a call. FaceTime, just simple call. And don't forget to ask and pray every day. Go to church during Christmas. And we end this episode by saying Merry Christmas and see you next episode. Peace out.